What's going on, YouTube? I hope everyone had an amazing day. The S&P 500 or SPY finished down negative 1.72%, losing $10 for the day on pretty low volume. Price closed at 573.6, coming within pennies from the 200-day moving average. This morning price opened down about $7 from the previous day's close and was unable to get green for the day, although price did attempt to fill the gap. It made overnight. It was stopped short near the 61.8% retracement from yesterday, or 580, where we took profits on our calls this morning with members in our Discord for a $200 gain per contract. Had you bought just 10 contracts, you would have netted a cool $2,000 on that trade. Try a free 7-day trial and get all our trades for free for a whole week by signing up at our Patreon. So after the SPY got rejected, we did two things. One, we took profits in the SPY calls, then jumped into the Tesla puts and rode that down for a $480 per contract gain on the Tesla puts. Check out the timestamps. Had you bought just 10 contracts on those, you would have netted another $4,800 bucks on top of the $2,000 from SPY, making you a cool $6,800 for the day. Not bad. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, though. The S&P 500 has been selling off pretty hard since making new all-time highs in mid-February. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, closed at 3413 today, and historically, we really don't see a bounce until it reaches 30. So we have more room to go down, or we'll see some sideways action until we see that elusive 30 print on the RSI. So that's the good news. The bad news is that the weekly chart is in free fall, and the RSI has already crossed below 50, which it hasn't done since October of last year. The last time this happened, SPY didn't find any support until it tested the 100-period moving average, which is currently at around the 560 level, and I would expect that level to get tagged as soon as this week or next, historically speaking also, is that this is generally a weak time of year for the S&P 500, and normally we see a rebound during the last half of March, so that fits right into the historical context, and after price tests 560, we could potentially round back up from there. Although it really depends on what the indicators are, tell us at that time for confirmation. On the upside, we have resistance at 583 and then 590, and on the downside, we have support at 563 and 553. So I expect price to overshoot the 563 support and test the 100-period moving average on the weekly chart, and hopefully at that time we'll see buyers step back in. So that's about it for today. And if you like this type of technical analysis on SPY or Tesla, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.